Oh, it's part 8. Okay, time for
Why is the slime getting
Okay,
so
ready, Liam? Okay, I'll do it.
This is
Oy.
so big.
Ready? It's breaking because it's too big. Okay, ready? Set and boom! Oh! Oh! It made a bubble. Then it went to your head.
Wait, no, there's hair over here.
Okay, we don't care. It's just hair.
Ma! Ayaw, nabayin mo na ba yung bola? Ma?
Okay, Liam, ready?
I make a big roll.
Okay, ready? Okay, not that big because it might break. Okay, that's enough. Okay, this is enough. Okay, this is enough. It's a gummy bear. Guys, look, we made a gummy bear. A gummy bear. Okay, there. Okay, ready? Set. Liam, move. Liam, move. Liam, move.
Oh, but it had a little hole.
Yeah,
Big
that's
squirt
why.
sound.
Baka natutuluan na kayo.
What happened?
It was just water.
Hindi ko Oh, we almost missed.
You owe me as a big.
Okay, so now let's half it. Get the other piece. Get the other.
Wait lang.
Alawas kayo ni tita?
Yeah.
Ay,
Get the other
Yan
piece.
tita.
Okay. Time to.
Bunsa.
Si Mama, we're still
Kaya ka ayaw palabasin, ayaw mag-wear ng slipper.
Look at this, guys. Look. Oh, get it. And oh, that was so cool. That was so cool. That was so cool. Let's just the pop was more cooler. What will Harvin buy kaya when he gets home?
Gusto mo na kaya pa.
Maybe he'll buy cricket.
Cricket.
The one that shoots out sparkles.
Oh yeah.
Good.
What's the name of that?
Cricket.
Really?
Cricket.
Isn't that a glitter gun?
Maybe.
Okay, ready?
By case, it's smaller store.
This one's.
Ready? Wait, no. Liam, look.
Ay.
Oh!
Ay. May warm yun.
Boom! Okay, we're finished. Almost.